Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Arteon Shoot and Brake R 2.0 TSI at a whopping 320 PS 4MOTION is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen in a Manganese Grey Metallic finish. It looks absolutely remarkable, and as you can see, it's got a clean exterior bodywork. It looks absolutely fantastic. We have the 19-inch Adelaide black diamond turned alloy wheels with the iconic blue R calipers, creating a really sporty look to this vehicle. Power folding mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, great for places like shopping centres where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. The car also comes with an electric tailgate, which is a great addition to the vehicle as you don't need to touch the back of the car. You can actually hold the button on the key to access the boot directly. This is great if you have your hands filled. As you can see, it's a long boot capacity, so it's great for stuff like golf clubs, and just lifting this up here, you've got space for a spare wheel as well. We have ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats alongside cup holders in the centre console, and a sustainable amount of legroom in the back there for rear passengers' comfort. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the digital cockpit, but we'll touch on this soon. You can see we have the R embroidery on the Nappa leather front and outer rear seats, with obviously the R logo in the carbon Nappa style as well. You have a panoramic sunroof which offers a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. The multifunction steering wheel also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display it shows key information like your driving data, lap timer and your navigation. You also have a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. And over on that left hand side, we also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and going into our driving mode selection, we can actually access this directly through the steering wheel as well, which offers a wide array of different driving modes to have a much more tailored experience. For example, sport and race at your higher performance-based experience, and comfort for every day. If we go to individual, you'll see here we can actually tweak a wide array of different settings, but we can also configure the dynamic chassis control to change the variable suspension to feel exactly how we want it whilst on the move. As we go into our park pilot, we have our front and back parking sensors alongside the rear view camera as well, ensuring confidence and safety in every manoeuvre and ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. You can access this by pressing the button or simply popping the car into reverse, and the sensors and rear camera will activate automatically. The heated seats provide an element of warmth and comfort with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. These are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there, and a dual climate control which simply allows you to swipe your finger to adjust the intensity of the heat and the intensity of the blowers as well. You can synchronize this with a master switch on the driver's side. This video on the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.